Hello YouTube, this is Mr. OK, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace a mechanical hard drive on a custom built computer. It can be done very quickly if you need to add storage, if you need to for your Steam library or for your videos for YouTube, or really for anything. My recording cut off in the previous video, so that's okay, I can just redo it. When you buy an OEM drive, it comes in a plain black box, like this. It doesn't say the brand on it, doesn't say anything on it, and all you get is the drive itself. It doesn't come with any cables or anything. I've already installed the drive, but I'll go ahead and take it out. So this is the drive. On the back, there's this green circuit board. You want to avoid touching that if possible. You could possibly short it out. Okay, this is a 1 terabyte Western Digital Caviar Blue mechanical hard drive. Let's get it to focus. Come on, focus. There it is, 1 terabyte Caviar Green hard drive. As you can see, it was manufactured on June 19th, 2014. So pretty recent. But this is a good balance. The Blue series is a balance between super fast and super energy efficient. I already have one in this case. It's been serving me well. Okay, so when you go to install the drive, your connectors, the one on the left is for power, the one on the right is for data. They need to face inside the case. Installing a mechanical hard drive is very easy. You can see, you just push it in. Now on this case, I don't think you're going to be able to see it, I don't have a light, but there is this is a toolless design from Corsair. And as you can see that easily, I just pop the drive in. Very easy. It goes together very quickly. Okay, so now I'm going to install the power cable, PCI to Molex power cable. The two drives are right on top of each other, so I'm just going to plug one in. Okay, that's the first one, and this will be the second one. This isn't the easiest to get in there. Okay. So now there are power to both drives. And this is, this is the data cable going to the top one. And this is your data, your SATA 3 cable going to your hard drive. You want to use the most recent, the next available port, which for me is going to be this one. So it's keyed on one side. I have it correctly, and see where we at. See, the L-shaped connector is on one side. So it goes in where it matches that. And it's been a while since I've added any storage. Okay, there it is. Now I gotta route the cable, and I'm just gonna route it back through here, and hopefully when I'm done I can still close the side panel, but I think I will. Okay, so here we are on the back side with the L-shaped connector, which I need to put on the bottom drive, so I guess I should unplug the top one. Okay, still need to route these cables better than what they are. Okay, and the connector goes right there on the top drive. Okay, so there it is. Hopefully this will all shut when I'm done. But there it is. That's how you install a mechanical hard drive and a Corsair $200 case. It's pretty universal for just about every case. It's not too difficult. So hope this was helpful. My cabling's not perfect, as you can see, but it works. Okay, thank you. This is Mr. OK. Have a great day.